Hello friends, this is your host Saurav from Technitrade. Today I am going to give you a review on Asus Transformer Book T100. It is a laptop tablet kind of device. First, I will tell you about feature of it. Uh, this device runs on Windows 8.1 operating system. It comes with 10.1-inch IPS 1366 into 768 pixels. It is powered by 1.33 GHz quad-core Intel Atom Z3740 base trail. RAM in this device is 2 GB DDR3. Internal memory or hard disk capacity is 32 GB and it can be expandable via micro SD card up to 64 GB. There is 1.2 megapixel front camera. It comes with USB 3.0, HDMI ports, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Battery life in this device is up to 11 hours. Okay friends, now I am opening this device and will show you what inside it. Yeah. Okay friend, this is the device. Uh, yeah, you can type on it by using keyboard like this, or you can touch anywhere to launch any application. You can also type it on by touch on the this screen. Friends, this is the keyboard where you can write, you can type anything. This is a nice keyboard, or you can also type anything, or you can also do all of the application by touch your fingertip here. Friends, first I will show you how you can detach this device and make it to the tablet. You have to just press here. Yeah. Okay friends, yeah, now this device is performing like the tablet. Yeah, first I want to show you three holes here, 1 2 3. These three holes are used to attach this screen with the keyboard, like here, like it. And this button, by pressing this button, you will detach this screen from this keyboard. Okay friends, now I will show you applications in this device. Yeah, this is the start menu of this device. Yeah, now it is visible for all of you. I'm just focusing more on. Yeah, there are many applications here like mail, Skype, desktop, SkyDrive, people, photos, calendar, weather, finance, sports, many things. Yeah, there are other apps. We have to just like alarms, Asus Photo Director, Asus Web Storage, Calculator, Internet Explorer, Photo, PC settings, Sound Recorder, Skype, SkyDrive, or anything else, Asus Live Update, Asus On-Screen Display. Others are like snipping tools, sound recorder, step on recorder. There are many preloaded apps in this laptop come tablet. Now you are wondering that how you will go to on the desktop. Yeah, you have to just click here on the desktop icon. Yeah, now we are on the desktop of this device. Yeah, now before tell you other things, I want to show you many things in the device. Here it is the camera. As I told you that 1.2 megapixel camera in this device, sorry. And other, it is the, here you can see this is the power button. Yeah, by pressing our device is closed, and by pressing it our device is on here. Yeah, here you can see that this is the volume button. By pressing up, volume is up, and by pressing down, volume is down. Okay friends, now I want to show you some other settings in this tablet come laptop. We have to just click here on the desktop area. Okay, now we have to just click here. We will check what inside the setting area. Inside the setting area you can easily see here that some settings like desktop, control panel, personalize, PC info, help. Yeah, these settings are here. And under the here you can see that this is for Wi-Fi setting. Yeah, it is going to on here, like you can see here that it's connected here. Yeah, it's connected here. Other settings like volume, you can increase and decrease the volume here. Screen, power. By it you can do this device for sleep mode. You can also shut down this device, or you can also restart this device. In the setting area, I also told you that you can also go to the control panel here. Inside the control panel, you can see here that all of the settings here, like the action center, like the notification area, like the program and features, Windows Defender, Windows Update, everything is here. Okay friends, now I have done with my review. If you have any question or query, you can mail me at my email id. It is techneutro@gmail.com, or you can write here in the comment area. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. It is TechNeutral. Don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to share this video on social media. Sayonara, bye, and take care. Thank you.